Alright, first game. Look at the curve. It looks pretty sick. Net 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I got plenty of late. Whew, 2 spider tanks. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. This is really good video going on right now. Oh, where's the opponent?
Anduin!
Uther.
Uther!
Uther. Sounds like
I will fight with honor.
The light shall bring victory.
One, two, three.
Well met.
Well
What
played.
up, bitch? Let's sculpt you. Okay, Sleeping Bear. Oh, wait, what? 2 mana? I don't know what that is. My Hearthstone game is not so hot. It's not so bad.
Reporting for
Oh, you're not
duty.
gonna like this, dude. I don't have any good plays after this. I guess I got this guy. Ugh. Shit card.
Blood and plunder.
Give me a 4. Give me 4, Spider.
Shush!
Ooh. Thinks he's cute. It hit me in the face, dog. Crazy. Okay.
Get in there and fight, maggot!
That face hit. The value. Put out something with 5. Put out something with 5. God, do it. Do it. Do it. I dare you.
Well met.
Oh. Okay.
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty.
Wow, so much late game. Okay, what do I do here? I'm gonna kill you.
Job's done.
Nothing else. do. I should go for his face. Fuck. Give me that holy Nova. Alright. Oh yeah. What you got, man?
Don't worry, loves. The cavalry's here. Your mother was a Murloc.
Yikes. Yeah, 3 and then play the 4. Yes, I will.
Many viewers.
Oh, yeah. All right. What do I play first? I got so many options. Hey, yeah.
Job done.
Vengeance.
Is this a beast? Huh. Beast. Interesting. Oh yeah. What you gonna do here, man? Use all your cards. I got more. I got more, dog. Yeah, take that damage. What am I gonna do here? Add 5 to my health, eh? 5, 6, 10, 14. Yikes. He has to kill this, right? He doesn't think I have anything. And now you're fucked, as I do.
Magic detected.
My shield for Argus.
For Argus.
Reporting for duty.
Ooh. Next turn. Let's see, 5, 7, 10.
I dream and the world trembles.
Give me that sick card. It's not that good.
Trogzor. Trogzor.
I can fix anything.
Reporting for duty.
I got a beast out there. I mean, beasts. Huh. I think I can win now. Fuck. That sucked.
I must consider.
I shall bring you rest.
5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12.
Blood and plunder.
Hit my guys, hit my guys. Oh no. Come on, dudes, add it up. Oh, you didn't do it. Oh,
Reporting for duty.
so many taunts out there.
That's not a valid target.
fuck.
You have bested.
Ugh. Suck at this game.